Class Physics Unit at Energy Source and Transfer of Energy. Question 1. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy source? Answer: fossil fuels. Question 2. What is the unit of energy in the International System of Unit SI? Answer: joule. Question 3. Which device converts solar energy into electrical energy? Answer: solar panel. Question 4. What is the main source of energy for all life on Earth? Answer: the sun. Question 5. What type of energy is stored in a battery? Answer: chemical energy. Question 6. Which of the following is an example of kinetic energy? Answer: a rolling ball. Question 7. What energy transformation occurs when you turn on a light bulb? Answer: electrical to light and heat. Question 8. The energy stored in an object due to its position is called? Answer: potential energy. Question 9. Which type of energy is produced when fossil fuels are burned? Answer: thermal energy. Question 10. What is the main disadvantage of using fossil fuels? Answer: the gases pollution. Question 11. Which of the following energy source is renewable? Answer: wind. Question 12. Which form of energy is used in a hydroelectrical power plant? Answer: gravitational potential energy. Question 13. What is the principle behind the operation of a wind turbine? Answer: connecting energy to electrical energy. Question 14. What type of energy is released during nuclear fission? Answer: nuclear energy. Question 15. Which type of energy transfer occurs when you feel heat from a campfire? Answer: radiation. Question 16. Which form of energy does a moving car primarily have? Answer: connecting energy. Question 17. What is the disadvantage of using nuclear energy? Answer: it generates radiation waste. Question 18. What kind of energy conversion takes place in a coal power plant? Answer: chemical to thermal to electrical. Question 19. What is geothermal energy? Answer: energy from heat within the earth. Question 20. Which energy source is considered the cleanest? Answer: solar. Question 21. What happens to energy when work is done on an object? Answer: it is transferred. Question 22. What type of energy does stretched rubber hand have? Answer: elastic potential energy. Question 23. Which of the following is an example of energy transfer by conditioner? Answer: heat traveling through a metal rod. Question 24. What form of energy does food contains? Answer: chemical energy. Question 25. Which energy transfer occurs when boiling water circulates in a pot? Answer: convection. Question 26. What is the main cause of energy loss in most machines? Answer: friction. Question 27. Which of the following is not an energy transformation in a car engine? Answer: connecting to potential. Question 28. What kind of energy is used in a biomass power plant? Answer: chemical energy. Question 29. The efficiency of a machine is always less than 100% 'because? Answer: some energy is lost as heat. Question 30. What is the benefit of using renewable energy source? Answer. They are sustainable and environmentally friendly.